Now this just feels right. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here. And you know what? It seems like the first week and a half of September, we've been preoccupied with Halloween stuff. Let's change that today. Let's step inside of Universal's Islands of Adventure and have a nice, normal, fun theme park day. It's been a while since I've been to Islands of Adventure. I totally forgot. For a limited time, they have an exclusive pass holder entrance. I don't anticipate a lot of updates in today's video, but we will highlight some food, fun, and merchandise. And since we are post-Labor Day, I am curious as to the crowd levels. Will they be a little smaller, a little lighter today? We're gonna find out. Even though today is supposed to be a normal theme park day, we will not be able to escape Halloween. For example, inside of the trading company, they have, for $20, a mummy minion. A bunch of them. The Frankenstein minion is a little larger, so it's a little more. $25 for this one. And one last thing to show you in here. This Minions popcorn bucket, $29.99. Your first fill of popcorn is free, but it's a minion with a jack-o'-lantern trick-or-treat basket. Matching cap. That's enough for Halloween. Should we move on to Christmas? No, not just yet. Let's do a price check on the 2-park Unlimited Express Pass. It's going for $175 today. And by the way, Prime parking is $40 today. Let's head into the main kids area of Islands of Adventure, Seuss Landing. I would anticipate a lot of low wait times because most of the kids should be in school right now. Cat in the Hat, 5 minutes. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish, 5 minutes. High in the Sky Trolley, 5 minutes. And the Carousel, bucking the trend with a 15-minute wait. And the Circus McGurkus is still closed. So as expected, Seuss Landing, pretty empty, but what I'm more interested in is seeing the wait time for Hagrid's and the Velocicoaster. Stay tuned for that. But before we get to those attractions, we have to walk through the Lost Continent. Right now, Mythos Restaurant is accepting walk-ups with no wait. King Julian entertaining a sparse crowd at the moment. I've been given an assignment by my wife Nikki. I need to go into the All Hallows Eve boutique and complete that assignment. I'll show you what I had to do when I come out. And I was unable to complete my mission. The thing is, Universal is releasing Halloween Horror Night magnets once a week, every Wednesday I believe. $14 per magnet. They have already sold out of week 1 and week 2 here at the All Hallows Eve boutique. But I hear they have some over there at 5 and Dime on Hollywood Boulevard at Studios. So perhaps at the end of the day, we'll walk over there and get them. Before we head into Hogsmeade, I would like to share with you that the Hogwarts Express is a 10-minute wait. To go on the Hogwarts Express, you do need a park-to-park ticket. So if you just have a ticket for Islands of Adventure, you can't get into Studios by taking the Hogwarts Express. You must have that park-to-park ticket. Not too bad of a wait for butterbeer, especially that line there. That one's a little shorter than this one. And the Three Broomsticks still has, you know, pretty long, a pretty decent line there to get into the Three Broomsticks. But that's just being in Hogsmeade, always the busiest section of Islands of Adventure. Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure, a 70-minute wait. Most likely the longest wait we'll see today. Everyone loves Hagrid's. Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, basically a walk-on with a 15-minute wait. Flight of the Hippogriff, glad you asked. 20-minute wait. Just a quick programming note, I think I'm gonna do Rick's quick food review at the end of this video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end, see what I eat, see if I like it. Welcome to Jurassic Park. I'm very interested about the wait time for a Velocicoaster. Luckily, there's a wait time sign right here. I don't have to go all the way down to the attraction to show you. There it is. What's that you say? You couldn't make out the wait time on that board? I'm a stinker. It's a 35-minute wait for Velocicoaster. A lot of the indoor-outdoor queue is unoccupied. Just some guests way up front there by the little raptor statues. How about a 360? Times 2. Hope you guys are enjoying the content, but right now I need a favor from you. My stats show that about a third of you watching are not subscribed. If you made it this far into the video, please take a moment and click that subscribe button. I'll give you another shot of the Velocicoaster if you do so. And to those of you who did click the subscribe button, thank you so much. At the Midway Games area of Jurassic Park, in the training zone, I do see a new prize. I don't know what this thing is though. There's a blue one, there's a pink one, there's a gray one. They all have a black and white tail. I don't know what this is, but it's a new prize. Looks like a couple new things at the Dinosaur Dash. Looks like a Halloween black cat, and to me that's either a rainbow alligator or crocodile. No one in line at the Pizza Predatoria. That makes George and Lucas very lonely. A 20-minute wait for the Jurassic Park River Adventure. Scream, splash, laugh. I don't know if it picked up on the camera audio, but someone was having a big old laugh. I did not plan on it, but I might as well show you all of the wait times this post-Labor Day time frame. Kong, a 35-minute wait. Go check out the Etsy shop. Theme park inspired merchandise, handcrafted by my wife Nikki. Ah, Toon Lagoon, the place to get some real water action. 15-minute wait for Ripsaw Falls. You can get wet 10 minutes faster at Popeyes because it is just a 5-minute wait. And construction walls have returned near the Popeyes attraction. The statue just came back out recently, and it's behind this little mesh screen now. More work being done. I'm assuming underground work. It's been a couple weeks since we checked on Marmaduke. Still hasn't returned. I'm going to take a moment, step inside of the pass holder lounge and try to figure out what I'm going to have for lunch. Okay, I figured it out, but you have to wait and see. At the Midway Games, right outside of Toon Lagoon, I think I see some new prizes. These are large purple, pink, and red hedgehogs. Also, I see some Caspers and some Stay Puffs. It's been a while. I don't think they're brand new. It's just been a while since I've seen them here. Those are at the Whack-A-Mole over here at Top Glow. Some Sonic stuff, I think. Those guys right there. The Sonic, right? Yeah, the Sonic stuff. It seems like all of the games now have some type of Halloween. Like there's a Frankenstein right there. There's a big Bride of Frankenstein right there. So they all have some type of Halloween prize. Just as we get ready to enter Marvel Superhero Island, we discover some construction walls. Yeah, it's been a couple weeks since I've been here, and they put up construction walls on me. Let's do a very quick rundown of wait times. Spider-Man, 25-minute wait. Dr. Doom, a 5-minute wait. Oh, is the other side going to go too? Hold on a second. We might get a twofer. We had the left side go. Waiting on the right side. I think we're going to get it. There it goes. Hot dog, a twofer. Storm Force, a 5-minute wait. And the Hulk, is a 15-minute wait. That's not gonna make you angry. You should be happy with a 15-minute wait. I'm gonna take a little break from filming. I'm gonna do a couple of these rides. I think I'll hop on the Hulk. Almost had the timing. And then go back and do Dr. Doom. Okay, all done with my riding break. Sorry I couldn't take you with me, but Universal has that no recording on rides policy. They even go so far as to not let me record myself on Dr. Doom. Like, I kind of set the camera up in the little cubby to record me going up, but when they saw that the camera was on, they asked me to turn it off, so I did. But anyways, I still had a lot of fun. I just regret not being able to take you with me. While I was in the pass holder lounge, I looked at the menu for Confisco, and I think I found something that I've never had. Let's go in and order it. Since it is pass holder appreciation month, I'm dining in the Navigators Club. I've placed my order, but now let's go enjoy some of the views you get from the Navigator Club. We can look across the way and see the Hulk going right there through the Cobra Roll. And beyond the water, the Discovery Center of Jurassic Park and the top hat of the Velocicoaster. This angle here will show us more of the Hulk. There it goes. Through the launch and the Cobra Roll. And then it's going to hit this loop over here before going under the bridge. Nice. If we turn just a bit, we can see the Mythos restaurant and, yes, the High in the Sky trolley right there. I think we'll just hang on to this shot a little more to get the trolley going by and a little bit of a better shot. Maybe I'll zoom in too. Yes. That was the money shot I was waiting on. Through the trees. Another shot of the High in the Sky trolley. This is the Chipotle chicken wrap for $16.95. Grilled chicken, romaine, cheddar jack cheese, roasted corn, salsa, and a Chipotle sour cream. Served with French fries. Okay, all done with my lunch at the Confisco Grill. Time for a Rix quick food review of the Chipotle chicken wrap. And I have to admit, I took one for the team with that one. Trying something new for you guys, or at least something I have never had before. It was just okay. Nothing really like bad or wrong with it, but nothing exceptional about it either. And usually with a sandwich, I can find at least one thing that is exceptional, even if it's just the aioli. But that sandwich was just, a wrap, was just kind of there. It was just there. Now it is served cold, which I didn't enjoy, but I was warned about that by the waitress when I ordered it. So you guys should know too, it is a cold chicken wrap. And it's just, if you want like a cold sandwich, I would much rather you go to Blondie's over in Toon Lagoon and get one of their cold deli sandwiches. So for me, a disappointment, something I cannot recommend to you unless you like cold chicken wraps. You have one there at Confisco's. Okay, let's head over to the 5 and Dime at Studios and see if I can find that HHN magnet. The Universal Globe still not spinning. They even have some fencing up there. At least it stopped in the right position to take a photo. No time to hang out and chat with the work wife, Marilyn over there. My real wife, Nikki, has sent me on a mission. A mission in the 5 and Dime. Goodbye, Marilyn. Oh, I got a kiss from the work wife, and I completed my mission for the real wife. That is the Week 2 Halloween Horror Nights magnet. Released every Wednesday, a new magnet. A new one will be released tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Exit through the description box. Some cool links in there for you. And as always, don't miss the magic. Don't miss the fun. Click that subscribe button.